Snow whispers secrets to the trees. Branches bow with frosted pleas. The air is cold yet softly sings a tale of hope on winter's wings.